Bullseye. Abbvie supports a strong dividend yield, which should act as valuation support, as the cash flows to support the dividend look secure over the next few years. Abbvie's increasing entrenchment in blood cancer should bode well for growth as pricing power remains solid in this therapeutic area of the pharmaceutical market. Abbvie's next-generation immunology drugs targeting the IL-23 and JAK pathways should help mitigate the competitive threats facing Humira. Bears say. The high profit margins on Humira will likely cause an amplified impact on earnings as sales are lost to eventual biosimilar competition. Several of Abbvie's pipeline drugs in immunology have mechanisms of action similar to drugs already approved, taking away the first-mover advantage for Abbvie. The extra debt needed to finance the Allergan deal could put amplified pressure on Abbvie if core assets like Botox and Humira face tougher competition than expected. Analyst Ratings. Buy, 50%. Hold, 50%. Sell, 0%. Market cap, 108.34 billion. Average volume, 14.61 million. Dividend yield, 6.43%. Exxon Mobil. Bullseye. Exxon will see its portfolio mix shift to liquids pricing as gas volumes decline and new oil and liquefied natural gas projects start production. Cash margins should improve as a result. Exxon is separating itself from peers that are focused on cash returns to shareholders by increasing investment with the goal of doubling earnings and cash flow by 2025. With coordination between upstream and downstream operations, as well as integrated refining and chemical facilities, Exxon achieves a high level of integration that creates value, as opposed to simply owning the assets, as peers do. Bears say. Investors must wait for Exxon's increased investment to pay off while knowing integrated oils have historically struggled to deliver on long-dated growth targets. Returns are unlikely to ever reach historical levels without higher commodity prices, potentially resulting in compression of Exxon's premium multiple. Dividend growth will likely slow in the near term as a deterioration in commodity prices and margins and elevated spending pressures free cash flow. Analyst Ratings. Buy, 13%. Hold, 70%. Sell, 17%. Market cap, 158.83 billion. Average volume, 50.74 million. Dividend yield, 8.88%. As always, be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Be sure to smash that like button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.